Welcome to this video where I will show how to change the text of a button after it has been clicked. So let's get started. So I've already created a canvas, and now I'm going to create the button by right-clicking, scrolling down to UI, and selecting button. For demonstrative purposes, I'm just going to change the text to hello. Alrighty. And then now if you haven't already, you can create a script. I have already. It's called change text. But if you haven't, right click, create, go up to C# script. I already have mine. So if we open up, alright, here it is. So before we do anything, make sure to import the library for the UI. That's something you're going to need really using anything in this UI section. So if you're changing text, the button, and in this case, the button text. Now we're going to create a public text. And so in this case, this text is actually going to just be the text in our button. So that text is automatically created once we create the button. You don't have to create another one. We're using this one. So I call it button text. And then we're creating a method for the button when it's clicked. And all we do is we want to change the button text dot text to make sure to add that dot text because we're changing the text value. And then we're setting that value equal to goodbye. If you wanted to, let's say, add to your text, so let's say hello, and we want to say and goodbye, you can just say plus equals instead to add, and then and goodbye. So that would print hello and goodbye in this case. Now we're just going to save this and return. Now we're going to attach the script. So select canvas, and we're going to drag our change text script down here. Then as you can see, we need to add a text. So you can just click that dot right here and then select the text, or you could drag this text here. So now we go to the button, and we have to add the method that we created. So the object, we just assigned our script to canvas. Canvas is right here. Then in no function, we have to add one. It's going to be the change text. That was the name of our script here. And then the name of our method was new text. Now all we have to do, click play. And when we click the button, it should change to hello and goodbye. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something that you can implement into your own project.